Guys, my daughter is excited that she's going to swim. Let's go. We are going to swim for the very first time in, in our condo. Look at people that are going to try their swimming skill. Ngwano, I got 1 minute. And I will go from now, go and hold this room. Pass here. I think there's road there. Okay, come this way. Huh? Is it? Don't bend your face, okay? Don't put your face inside, okay? Annabelle, don't put your face inside the water, okay? Are you okay? I assume don't play with your hands, okay? Play with your hands. Play with your hands like this, okay? Play with your hands. Play with your hands. Huh? Play with your hands. Play with your ball. Yeah, just play alone, okay? Don't bother. Play. Oh, yeah, play. Play. Annabelle, play. You want to swim, right? You say you want to swim. Eh? Annabelle, you say you want to swim. Hmm? You say you want to swim, right? Huh? Yeah, take your ball. See your ball is going. See your ball. See your ball. Say hello to them. Annabelle, say hello. Is we don't want to swim. Hmm? Swim, go ahead. Don't worry, play with your ball, okay? Play with your ball. Ada, play with your ball. Annabelle, play, let's go. We'll soon go. You have only 5 minutes to play more. Let's start going. I have something to do at work. They're getting dark. You can't go there. Huh? Annabelle, show them your swimming speed. Oh, yeah. Show them your swimming speed. Let's go. See. Huh? We cannot swim. We cannot swim. Let's stay in this small place. Yes. Let's stay here. I cannot swim. Let's stay here. I can't swim. Oh, yeah. See Annabelle. Annabelle don't know how to swim too. She can swim. Until she fall inside water now, she will not. You think he can swim? Let's try something new. We are being indoors. I refuse to be indoors now. I refuse to be indoors. So let's see something. Let's see what happened. Because Annabelle is not serious. She wants to enter this big one. And which is not possible. This big water is not possible. Stay there. Annabelle, stay there. My phone should not fall inside water. Oh, yeah, come. Come here. Stay there, you come. Baby, huh? Oh yeah, stay. No. Oh, stop that. No. Let's go is cold. Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go is cold. Let's go is cold. Let's go.